Hello, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day. And today we speak straight from Fruit Logistica. We are here today in Berlin after 3 intensive days of events, conversations, um, and lots of interesting things around. But again, following our tradition, I don't want to take a lot of your time. I just want to give you one idea to think about. So, based on what I've heard and what I've experienced during these 3 days, I'm more and more happy for the technology called computer vision. And I'm glad that 10 years ago, our Petiole Pro has started our work in computer vision, and we started with a simple task of leaf area measurement. At the same time, as of now, the application for computer visions, applications for computer vision technology are frequent, and starting from the first stage of plant existence when it's still in seed, and finishing with production level. Because, for example, during these 2 days, I've seen solutions, and we were discussing the solutions for seed quality control. Then we start to speak about not just on seed stage, then we are having monitoring of crop health and checking all these pests, diseases, ID recognition, counting, all these tasks. They are based on, they can be done with computer vision and wrapped in extra opportunity which deep learning brings in terms of the depth of analysis, because it's also one of the things which I've seen here. The technologies become more complex, and so if we spoke before just about one simple layer of like one simple machine learning model for something, then now we speak about the fusion. They call it data fusion, when you are trying to use sensor data, and then you're also using computer vision technologies for some visual detection, and then you're also deploying the deep learning model for analysis of multi-layers of this data which you collect in from different streams. Yes, and again, going back to the computer vision stream, so after working with plants and crops, after working with the production in field, then we're moving on post-harvest stage when everything is collected. And again, the computer vision is helping with not just assessment of what you have, it also helps to make things moving. So one of the interesting sessions which I visited was about the tracking and understanding the traceability, but it's because when we speak about the boxes and crutches and lots, it's still the digital proof of your movement, and tracking the supply, and basically all this understanding which boxes came from where and where they are moving to. It's based on the visual checking of these boxes, and as well as not just simple scanning barcodes and QR codes, but also linking all these stages when they are moving between different warehouses, between intake gate and release gate. All of these tasks are empowered with computer vision, and the possibility to do everything using just a mobile device and process it quickly, not just wait for the results for hours. Because the faster we move the supply, the faster it will come to the final point where the customer can get it. And yesterday it was nice, interesting session about the actual application of AI vision for tracking the systems of moving boxes, crutches, lots, whatever you have. Big companies, they are also showing the trend, and you can think how you can implement it in smaller level and lower level, when you even have the medium-sized production, it's still possible to get the QR codes and use them for your boxes or barcodes, or use some smart technology to make your production more quicker, to make your effectiveness of your processes quicker. And because the computer vision is already present, and it's possible to do it in a short period of time, to track these boxes and what you have, having just a smartphone. And yes, our mobile application is a separate story. I will not tell about it now, but I mean that we also work with this task of inventory and tracking. So the main idea which I want to leave with you to think is that computer vision and all bunch of AI vision technologies can speed up your not just only in-field processes, but also post-harvest processes, and not only with the food produced, but also regarding everything related with logistics and related with operational efficiency of your food production. Thank you so much. See you soon in my channel, and